Alright, boys and girls, today we're just going to be doing more logs. Just going to be using the properties that we discussed in previous lesson. So let's go ahead and jump in. The first four we're just expanding, so we're going to be writing log 3 or 4 different times. So our first one, we're going to rewrite as log base 3 of a squared plus log base 3 of b cubed plus log base 3 of c to the fourth. Now, hopefully you remember that if you have an exponent, we can rewrite it in the front. So 2 log base 3 of a plus 3 log base 3 of b plus 4 log base 3 of c. Okay? And that's pretty much how... Oh dear, I made a mistake. Division means subtraction. My bad. Anyway, so hopefully, if your teacher doesn't teach you the wrong way, you'll be able to do 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's try 2, and then I'm going to let you do 3 and 4 by yourself. So log f to the third plus log x to the fourth minus log y to the 1/3. Then we need to move 3, 4, and 1/3 all in front. So when we do that, we get 3 log f plus 4 log x minus 1/3 log y. Alright, here's a chance to pause for 3 and 4. Alright, let's see if we can find the answers for 3 and 4. There's number 3. We moved the 3 in front for the x, got multiplication there and there. And then number 4, log e5 plus we're moving the 1/2 there. We got 4 different logs that time. Okay? Alright, so that's those 4. Then reducing or simplifying, we're just going to be writing log 1 time. So log base 3. And then I'm jumbling all this together. So I got m, and then the 2 goes there for the n, so n squared. Then minus means division, and then the 2 goes to the p, so p squared. Alright, so we're just writing log 1 time. So this one's going to be 5, and then the 4 goes there, x to the fourth, over y to the fifth. Number 7, got log base b of x, y squared, z squared, all over r cubed. These go a lot faster because we're not having to write log 17 times. And the last one, we got log base 4 of 25x squared y cubed all over the square root of 25. That's what 1/2 power means. But wait, there's more. We could find the square root of 25. So we got that, and then we can reduce 25 over 5. So our final answer is 5x squared y cubed. Now, you don't have to do that for like a free response test, something like that, but for multiple choice, you're probably just going to be given this answer, not that one. So you got to know those rules and know how to do it. The next couple are kind of my personal favorite, just because you're given a couple of clues and you have to figure out how to solve this equation. So we're only given 2 things, and we got to rewrite this. So log base 3 of 7 times 8, right? And then remember, with multiplication, it actually means addition. Then we can go a step further and say that I know that log of 8 is the same thing as log base 3 of 2 cubed. 8 is the same thing as 2 cubed. Then I know I can bring the 3 out front. So I got log base 3 of 7 plus 3 log base 3 of 2. So now we're just going to put that in the calculator. Take log base 3 of 7, which is 1.7712, plus 3 times 0.6310. Put that in the calculator. Let's see if I can find the answers. Yeah, 3.6642. And the number 10 works the same way. We can break 14 up into 7 times 2, 49 into 7 times 7, or 7 squared if you want to look at it like that. Then I can break the multiplication up, bring the squared out in front of there, and then I'm just plugging it in. Alright, get negative 1.1402. Those are fun to me. Y'all probably hate them, to be honest. Alright, and then the last thing here, solving for x, easy stuff. If you have a log equation equaling another log equation, then they must be equal. So 2 times 7 is 14. That means my x, it's got to be 14. It's that easy, guys. Nothing changes there. Log base 5 of m equals the cube roots of 125. That's what 1/3 means. Well, that's 5, so that means my m has got to be just 5. Easy peasy. Last two. Addition means multiply. So log base 9 of 5 times x plus 1 equals log base 9 of 6 times x. So just multiply and solve. All right, so as I was saying, just solve those. So you got 5x plus 5 when you distribute the 5 and multiply there, and we're solving for x. So subtract 5x from both sides, and x is going to be 5. And last one, 42 divided by 6, so I got log base 5 of 7 equals log base 5 of x, so x must be 7. All right, hopefully that wasn't too bad. We'll check out later. Peace out.